So I've received quite a few comments requesting that I make an updated lock count video. So that's what I'll be doing in today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, I'm Shama from Happy Living Now, where we take on a holistic approach to helping you design the life that you love. So before I get into today's video, I just want to take some time out and apologize for not having posted over the past couple weeks. Now, I didn't plan any of this. As a matter of fact, I planned on uploading content. I actually recorded content, and it was my plan to edit and upload content on this channel. But although it's no excuse, and I know it's no excuse, y'all, but life got the better of me over the past couple weeks. And I got to a point where I was a little bit overwhelmed with everything that was happening. So I ended up taking an unplanned break from YouTube. That's really what happened. And I used that time to just, reflect on myself, reflect on things that has been happening this year so far, and the direction that I want to take this channel. So that's what I used this time for. So I do apologize for not having posted over the past couple weeks, but I'm back, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can continue being consistent as possible moving forward. So about a month and a half ago, I installed some new locks at the back of my head where I used to have the undercut when I first installed my locks a year ago. And I posted a video about it. And I received quite a few comments on that video requesting that I do an updated lock count video. So that's what I'm doing today. So when I first installed my locks about a year ago, I mentioned that I had about 243 locks installed. And that was then. Now, I have absolutely no idea how many locks I have. And that's because I've combined quite a few times during this first year of my lock journey. So I guess both you and I are gonna find out the lock count together. Before you actually get to seeing the lock count, go ahead and drop a comment down below and leave your guess as to how many locks you think I have. Pause the video. Listen, I'm watching you. Yes, you. Pause. Hit pause and drop a comment down below and let me know what you think my lock count is. All right? I'll wait. All right, now you can go ahead and watch the rest of the video. So the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna go throughout my hair and I'm gonna partition or section my hair off in 20 locks and bundle those in 20 locks. And then once I've completed that, I'm gonna go ahead and count that and we'll find out the final number. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a band. And then I'll count the back of my head separately because those are pretty short back there, so. All right, so we're gonna start. One, I'm gonna be looking in my mirror to make sure I don't miss any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, I done messed up. All right, I'll probably do it in sections of 10 instead, because trying to do 20 is probably a little bit too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 10. All right, so let's try this again. Alright, so guys, I am finished sectioning up my hair, and now it's time for counting. So this part right here is 7 locks, right? And I'm gonna count the number of twists. I did 2-strand twists for 10 locks per twist, so I'm gonna count how many 2-strand twists I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I need to put this in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 9. Oh boy. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. And 7. So I believe I have 15 2-strand twists. So that's 150. And 7 is 157. Right? And then alright, so 15 twists, 10 locks per twist, so that's 150. 7 loose locks, so that's 157. And the back of my head, I counted 23 locks. So 157 and 23, 180 locks, right? And so yeah, I think my final count is about 180, maybe 181 locks, give or take, but about 180 locks. So I started with 243 locks when I first got my locks installed, and I am now down to 180 locks. So I think that means I combined probably about 63 locks. Is that correct? Yo, let me grab my calculator. I have my phone right here. Let me just grab my calculator to make sure I'm correct. So 150 plus 7 plus 23 is 180. 243, yeah, minus 63. 243, 180 minus 243. So yeah, I combined 63 locks. Wow. That seems like a lot of locks to have combined. Alright guys, so yeah, I had to take off the twist from my hair. I didn't want to finish the rest of the video with this crazy looking twist up in my hair, okay? But yeah, so the final count, 180 locks, down from 243. I don't know why I thought I probably would have had more than 243 locks, even though I know I combined quite a few, but I thought that with the addition of the back that I would have around the same or maybe a little bit more. But it's amazing. I honestly did not know that I combined 63 locks. I wasn't counting, and I had no idea that I combined that many locks. So to have combined that many locks just means I probably started my hair off way smaller than I really wanted to, and then have to combine them because they were really, some of them were really thin, and that's why I combined them. But that's okay. That's all right. I still like the volume of my hair. I like the thickness of my hair. It may not seem as much to some people in the Microloc community, I mean, having 180 locks, but at the end of the day, it doesn't even really matter. It doesn't matter how many locks I have. Everybody's journey is different and unique. And yeah, so 180 locks, or maybe 181, give or take. But I'm happy. Now I know, and now you know too, that I have 180 locks. Do I think I'll combine more? Probably not. I think I am pretty happy with the size of my locks that they are right now, including the new ones that I've installed at the back of my head. Let me just show you. My hair have been twisted for maybe about 2 weeks now. I don't even know, but this is what the back of my hair is looking like. So I feel like, you know, I feel like the hair is growing back there. Because when I installed those locks back there, I felt like they were really thin at first when I installed them, but now they've swollen up a bit. They feel a bit thicker than when I first installed them, and I feel like they have a little bit more length. So the hair is growing, my hair is feeling healthy. That's the most important thing. That's why I combined in the first place, because certain parts of my hair felt really thin, and especially at the roots, and I was not trying to have that problem. So yeah, that is my lock count, 180 locks. I hope you guys were right in your comments. If you did, then go you. If you definitely guessed the right number. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I did want to say though that I have a couple videos coming, and in light of everything that's been happening, I thought that I would change up the content a little bit on this channel. As you know, we talk about everything life related and taking on a holistic approach to designing your best life, and so that entails everything. And while I do love making hair related videos, I thought that in light of the pandemic and everything that people have been facing, some people have lost their jobs, some people are looking to start businesses, realizing everything that's going on, and I hope you guys are safe, by the way. I hope, you know, this thing has not affected any of you to the point where you've had to suffer with it, or a family or anything. I hope you guys are okay. I'm thankful to God that in light of everything that's happening, I've been able to work, and I've been able to not being impacted by it. So I'm just thankful to God that he's kept us through this time, and I pray that he continues to keep you guys too, that you guys remain in good health. But in light of everything that's been going on, I was hoping to maybe do a couple videos related to finance and business. So if you guys have questions, or if these are things you're interested in learning about, or this is content you're interested in seeing on this channel, definitely go ahead and drop your comments, questions, video suggestions down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely put those on my content calendar for you as well. But yeah, after this video, my next couple videos, you may see home DIY decor, and I also have another hair video coming up in the pipeline for you guys. Because I just celebrated my 1-year lockversary, I figured I should make a video on the 12 lock lessons that I've learned in my first 12 months of being locked. So that video is in the pipeline. Definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my next uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, stay blessed, and I will see you guys next time.